We're here today in the middle of build-up and we're going to show you a little bit behind the scenes and what the exhibitors are getting up to before we open the show to the visitors. We're here in the Great Pavilion. It's a really huge and amazing space, nearly 5 football pitches in size. This is home to over 92 amazing floral exhibits. We're here on Royal Hospital Way. This is our new area of Space to Grow gardens. These gardens are designed to inspire the gardener in all of us. So no matter how small your plot is, there's something here that we hope you can take away and enjoy and inspire you to garden. So we've just walked onto Main Avenue. This is where we have 10 incredible show gardens. These gardens are built in 19 days, so it's a very short space and time to bring together these incredible creations. Behind us, the M&G garden, designed by Sarah Price, are building rammed earth walling. It's a really extraordinary, unusual technique to see at the show. In Chris Beardshaw's garden for Morgan Stanley this year, there's this 12-metre tall Betula nigra, a river birch tree. It's so massive that it had to be lifted into position by its own specialist piece of machinery. It's an incredible thing to see at the show. In this garden designed by Mark Gregory for Welcome to Yorkshire, there's this incredible dry stone walling that has been hand-built by master craftsman Richard Clegg and his team. And it has a beautiful stream running through it and this very, very gorgeous little cottage to hide in. In amongst the trees of Ranelagh Gardens, we have 7 artisan gardens celebrating everything from the craft of gin making to the craft of India. Just behind us, we've got Ishihara, the master of the artisan garden. Will he get another gold this year? I'm not sure, but he looks well on his way. All the gardens here will soon be filled with plants, ready for you to enjoy. There's the last few tickets available to buy for Chelsea Flower Show this year, but there's lots more to enjoy at our other outdoor shows during the summer at Chatsworth House, Hampton Court Palace and Tatton Park. So I hope you manage to make it along to one of our shows and find some gardening inspiration with us this summer.